There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 10th of September. I'm James Spann. Got a few showers around Alabama today for the first time in a while, and the tropics are extremely active as you expect on the 10th of September. This is the exact climatological peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. A lot of things to talk about, so let's dive in. We've still got that upper air low back in the western states. That thing's produced all the cold and the snowy conditions there, but ridging holding here across the Mid-South. There's the visible satellite view. You can see a field of cumulus clouds across the state. A few of those have popped into showers, mainly over the central and southern counties and eastern counties. They're moving westward today, and that's in association with a tropical wave in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico that's very disorganized. That was the radar at 2:28. Showers mainly south of Interstate 20, mainly east of I-65. But again, they're marching to the west today. Temperatures are mostly in the 80s. Birmingham at 83, a little below average for this time of the year. There's the watch warning map, relatively quiet. Flash flood watches for parts of the mid-Atlantic coast region with a wave coming in from the Atlantic there. No severe weather expected through tonight. This is the severe weather outlook for day 1. This is tomorrow. And this is day 3, which is Saturday. Got a marginal risk for places like Detroit and Cleveland, well to the north of here. Rain for the next 7 days. The weather increasingly wet here. Rain amounts about 1 to 2 inches, heavier totals offshore, off the Gulf Coast, with a couple of tropical waves down in the Gulf. In fact, let's just go right into the tropics. 1, 2, 3 waves and 2 storms on the board this afternoon. In fact, maybe this is a little better visual here. This is off the satellite image, and you can see the waves, one in the Gulf, one around the Bahamas. We have Paulette, we have Renee, tropical storms, and a wave that's come off the coast of Africa, and one you really can't see that will be emerging off the coast of Africa tomorrow. It's that time of the year. Here's the 5-day outlook. And first off, in the Gulf, that feature that's over the Bahamas now with a medium chance, about a 50-50 chance of becoming a depression within 5 days, and the wave in the western Gulf with a low chance of developing. And then out in the Atlantic, we have, again, one wave that'll be coming off the coast of Africa, then a second wave that's out there, and we have Renee and Paulette. Yeah, it must be the 10th of September. Here's a look at Paulette. This thing will take a hard right turn late in the weekend around 65 west. And if this forecast verifies, this thing will be a Category 1 hurricane very close to Bermuda Monday night. And then from there, it's going to hook back out into the Atlantic. The recurve happens well east of the United States. The question is, will it affect Bermuda? Going to be a close call. And again, you can see the intensity guidance now ramping this up to a Category 1 hurricane about the time it's close to Bermuda. So our friends there will have to watch that one. But again, we think that has no impact on the United States. And then Renee, the system trailing Paulette, could become a hurricane briefly Saturday, then weakening to a tropical storm, veering north, and it just kind of sits out there far, far, far from land. We don't think that'll be an issue for the United States. There's the intensity guidance, and you can see a slow downward trend after Saturday. So model fans, here's the GFS, the 12Z run valid tomorrow at 4, the upper low beginning to kick out, coming out across the high plains, the 591 ridge here. And again, tomorrow will be much like today, cloudy at times with scattered showers and storms, mainly tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, the high mid to upper 80s. And this is Saturday. A pretty deep pool of moisture is going to be in place across the state. That means a good chance of showers and storms. It will not rain all day. The sun will probably peek out at times, but a fairly wet pattern. And the same thing on Sunday. More clouds than sun. A good chance of a few showers and storms. Highs for the weekend, I'd say mid-80s, maybe even low 80s in spots with only a limited amount of sun. Next week, not a lot of change. Monday, we'll have scattered showers and storms about. Here's Tuesday and Wednesday. Looks like some drier air trying to push in from the east with a backdoor front. Remains to be seen if that makes it in here. This is a week from today, Thursday the 17th. Big trough in the western states. And again, that's going to be cold and unsettled for them. Ridging here in the deep south, and scattered showers and storms stay in the forecast. We'll go out 10 days, Sunday, September 20th. Got a trough over Colorado again, 591 ridge in place over the Mid-South, and that looks pretty quiet if that verifies. And again, there's evidence of some tropical system on the south coast of Cuba, but this is nothing but pure voodoo 10 days out, looking at deterministic output like this. We're just looking at it for fun. This is the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean 1 to 2 inches, but some of the members are in excess of 3 inches. Wouldn't be shocked if it was going to be a little wetter than 1 to 1.5 inches here. And the numbers, I don't think we see 90. Again, the NBM has been a little too hot here. We'll be in the 80s for a while, trending down toward the low 80s by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And hot off the presses. The new CPC outlook, September 18th through the 24th, showing temperatures here pretty close to average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.